Hey everyone, welcome to the Workiz Academy, where we'll be going over the different aspects of the product. Say you added a job and now you want to go back and change your job description or status. Or a client calls and asks you to send him all the invoices from the last 3 months. Or maybe you just want to view every job that is currently in progress. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find everything you need within Workiz so that you can always stay on top of your jobs and clients.
Let's start with the simplest option. I can use the search bar on top to find anything I need. If I start typing in a client's name, for example, or even just a zip code, I can see any jobs, invoices, estimates, messages, or the client's page itself. Let's say you want to review your jobs. Before we go to the jobs page, let's take a look at the jobs section within reports. Once your jobs are done, you can see them in your job reports. If, for example, an old client asks for an old invoice, you can quickly search for that client from here. Or you can filter a group by time frame or specific filters. Now let's go to jobs. Once I'm on the jobs page, I can sort my jobs by job ID, job type, schedule date, tags, or even the assigned tech. I can also customize the fields that I see so that I'm only seeing the things that are relevant to me. I can also filter my jobs by status: submitted, in progress, pending, or done pending approval. Another option is to go up here and filter by tech, tag, job type, or service area. Let's say I want to view all jobs that pertain to a specific client. I just go over to this search bar and start typing the client's name. I'll click on the client, and I can see any of their jobs, invoices, or payments. Speaking of clients, let's say I want to view all jobs, estimates, or anything else that has to do with the specific client. I'll head on over to clients, where I can search for clients by name from here. I can also sort my list by ID, name, company name, or date created. Maybe I want to see only the clients that are past due. I can filter my clients by payments up here. Now let's head on over to the schedule. Firstly, I can view my schedule by day, week, or month. I can click on timeline to view the daily timeline by tech, and timeline week if I want to see what the week looks like for each tech. But I want to filter my schedule by something more specific. I'll click on filter results, and I can choose to filter my schedule by tech, tag, status, job type, or service area. So if I only want to see the jobs that will be in San Diego, I'll filter it by service area. If I only want to see car lockouts, I'll select that. Lastly, don't forget your dashboard. When you log in, you can see a quick overview of everything that's going on. You can see the latest information for your estimates, your schedule, your jobs, your invoices, and so much more.
Hope this was useful in helping you learn how to keep track of your clients and jobs and how to find everything you need. What feature do you want to learn more about? Let us know in the comments.